So good morning. I am up this morning because I'm off today, Saturday. I know I haven't recorded all week, but I have footage on my other camera, and I need a card reader so I can be able to remove it and get it to my iPad. So I will be having back-to-back videos coming up. I'm gonna wait to post this one because I have a video before that one when I was off 3 days and I did a 2-day weekend, what I do, living out of my car. But if anyone's coming in, my name is Carmen, and I am 47 years old, and I'm living out my car, and I've been living out my car since 2023. So welcome to my vlog, welcome to my channel. I'm trying to build up my followers. I'm trying to build up my YouTube channel and stuff like that, and so y'all can get to know me, also to learn some things from me if y'all ever, hopefully y'all never get into this situation, but if y'all ever get into this situation, you will know the do's and don'ts and how-tos and stuff like that. So today I'm going to be making me some coffee, and I'm thinking about going to Dollar Tree today so I can get me some dry foods. But I'm reaching over here, and I got my creamer, and I'm going to use this coffee right here so I can make me some coffee. I think I like this one. I do have the other one, but I want to try this one today. Also too, I have some good news because I was calling to see if I could split my payments up for my car note. And they told me that my car note payment went down. So I've been trying to refinance my car because earlier in one of my other vlogs I was talking about how much I pay every month for my car note, because I was paying $630 for my car note. And I'm trying to get this coffee out, and I was trying to get my car note down so I can, be able to make the payments, because my car note out exceeds my paycheck. So when I called Friday, because today's Saturday, when I called Friday, I was told that my car payment went down to $520.65, something like that. So I'm so excited because I can pay that. I can actually pay that instead of me constantly refinancing my car and it's running my credit. So even though my credit dropped some, I have it paid. It's just I got to pay my credit card bill. So I'm putting some hot water in here because I got me some hot water yesterday before I left work. But yeah, that's the exciting news. Still hot. Yes, so I'm excited about that. It was so funny because I had to get the man to repeat over and over again, like, are you sure? Because when he said $520, he was like, yeah, I guess he was like, they approved you. And I said, that's funny you said that, because when I had called like a week ago, they had told me to wait a couple of months because back in February I applied for to get my car refinanced, but they told me no because I had a LTV loan on my car, so I couldn't get the car refinanced, you know, and I had to pay try to pay a higher amount to get the car in order for me to get the car refinanced. And I didn't want to go through all that and taking the car and getting a new car and stuff. So there's nothing wrong with it, but it's like right now it's not the time. And there's really nothing wrong with my car at all. So just some little minor stuff that I want to get fixed before it get very serious. That's good. Yeah, and it's hot. So I'm about to fix my oatmeal. I don't want to eat on camera, but this is the oatmeal I'm finna eat, and my hot water is still hot. By the time I pick y'all guys up, I'm gonna be driving, and I'm going to be on my way to the gym. Okay, so it's approximately, I want to say like 8:58 on a Sunday. So I'm recording on my phone right now, but I'm going to try to test out my camera that I have right here while I'm in the laundromat, and just to see how much of a good footage I can get. So I'm on my way to the laundromat. So I changed my clothes. I had to do all that off camera, and wash my face and stuff like that. But later on today, I'm gonna go to the gym and shower because I do have to go to work tomorrow. But I will be in the academy at that time because I got the 2 weeks of academy all this week. So where we about to go now, we about to go wash. And I don't want my clothes to pile up on me like it did the last time, because that's in my other vlog too, me going to the laundromat. I have that vlog up also. It was a lot of clothes. So when you always remember, when you living in your car, always make sure you wash. Even if you can't wash weekly, because I try to wash at least 3 times, like 1 or 2 times out of the week. But the most I do is once I get that one load when my bag is filling up, I'm washing my clothes. Because what happens is you'll have dirty clothes mixed with clean clothes, and then you got to wash them all over again. That's a waste of money. So to help me save money, this is what I'm gonna have to do. It's just a consistent, it's my plan, it's a strategy. So let me quit rambling and let's go to the laundromat. Okay, so I made it to the laundromat, and I'm so happy I got this little gadget thing that I got. So I'm going right there to the laundromat, and let's go inside. I am tired. So those are my clothes. And I'm gonna find a machine because I know on Sundays it gets crowded. So let's see if I can find a machine. Oh yeah, it's some over here. Excuse me. Hold on. So I'm going to use these 2 right here, and it's kind of quiet today, but these are my clothes. So let me put my stand up and let me get the sorting my clothes out so I can start the washing. So I'm done at the laundromat. I just put my clothes in. Had to use the restroom, womanly duties. So now I am hungry, and I need to go find me something to eat. Probably something on budget. I be trying not to eat fast food all the time because I know it's not good for me, especially for my age. So I'm finna find me something to eat real quick, and once I do, I'll be right back. Okay, I had to stop to get me something to eat. I know y'all gonna trip, but I had to get me something to eat. Got me some McDonald's, and I'm gonna eat on this right now because I haven't had anything to eat since this morning when I woke up and opened up the camera. So, oh, my hair's so ugly. I don't like it. I'm gonna eat, and then I'm trying to think too, because I know I gotta go somewhere else, because I'm gonna sort my clothes when I come back because it's so cloudy today. But let me get some food in my system, that way my brain can process. And then also too, I did not take my vitamins, so let me get my vitamins in me, and I'm gonna be right back. So I'm gonna have to tune out the music, but out here in Montebello Mall, they have a little thing that's going on with the flowers and the stuff. And I forgot the lady told me about it in Coach, but I got me a bunny, and then I'm gonna get some flowers. Okay, I'm checking back in. It was too crowded in the mall, so I can't do crowds. My went up. So the best time I go to the malls by me living out my car is like when it's on a weekday where everybody at work. On Saturdays, especially Sundays, because I guess they had that little event, is it'd be too busy. But I got the flowers, and I got this rose right here. I got this rose from Macy's. They had a little promotion too. So I'm at the gas station, so I'm about to go get some gas, and then I'm gonna head over to Sally's real quick because I ran out of plastic caps, and I want one more of the aluminum cap. So I'll be back. I almost forgot to end this vlog, but I'm having a snack right now because I'm gonna take my magnesiums so I can get some sleep because I got work tomorrow. Well, not work, but training. But I already made my paddle. My windows are covered. except for my back window. I want to thank everybody that has been watching my vlogs. Thank you for liking them, commenting, and also to subscribing. I'm trying to get my followings up. I only got 70 followers, so I'm trying to get to 500. So just like, comment, subscribe, even share my vlogs if you want to. But I'm going to give me some rest. I'm going to try to record, well, if not so much at work, but when I get off from work, I'm going to start a new vlog, because this vlog right here is just for the weekend. I posted up a vlog Saturday. Ooh, excuse me. And I started a weekend one for Saturday, and which is Sunday today. So I'm going to edit this one, if I know not tonight, but tomorrow, and hopefully Tuesday I should have it up. So I want y'all all to have a peaceful night. Be safe and get y'all some rest. Like, comment, and subscribe. And thank y'all.